Arun. My name is Arun. My name is Aresh. Today we learn about animals and their homes. So let's get started. Bas. Aunt.
House name?
House name?
Ant Hill.
Aunt Hill.
A-N-T, Ant. H-I-L-L, Hill. Ant Hill. Ant house name? Ant Hill.
Bird.
B-I-R-D, bird. House name?
House name?
Nest.
Nest.
N-E-S-T, nest. Bird house name is nest.
Duck.
D-U-C-K, duck. Duck house name?
Duck house name?
Pound.
Pound.
P-O-N-D, pound. Duck house name is pound.
Dog.
D-O-G, dog. Dog house name? Kennel.
Dog house name?
House name?
House name?
Kennel.
Kennel.
K-E-N-N-E-L, kennel. Dog house name is kennel.
Cow.
C-O-W, cow. House name?
House name?
Shed.
Shed.
S-H-E-D, shed. Cow house name is shed.
Horse.
H-O-R-S-E, horse. House name?
House name?
Stable.
Stable.
S-T-A-B-L-E, stable. House name is stable.
Rat.
R-A-T, rat. House name?
House name?
Hole.
Hole.
H-O-L-E, hole. Rat house name is hole.
Hole. Hen.
H-E-N, hen. House name is? House name?
House name?
Cock.
Cock.
C-O-O-P, cock.
Cock.
Hen house name is cock.
Honeybee.
H-O-N-E-Y, honey. B-E-E, bee, honey bee. House?
House.
Behave.
Behave.
B-E-E-H-I-V-E, behave. Honey bee house name is behave.
Monkey.
M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. House?
House.
Trees.
Trees.
T-R-E-S-S, trees. Monkey house name is trees.
Spider.
S-P-I-D-E-R, spider. House?
House.
Web.
Web.
W-E-B, web. Spider house name is web.
Tiger.
T-I-G-E-R, tiger. House?
House.
Den.
Den.
D-E-N, den. Tiger house name is den. The animals
The animals
who living in houses.
who living in houses.
Dog.
Dog.
D-O-G, dog.
Cat.
C-A-T, cat.
Fish.
F-I-S-H, fish.
Kiwi.
C-A-V-Y, kiwi.
Mouse.
M-O-U-S-E, mouse.
Canary.
Canary. Canary. This is that animals
This is that animals
who living
who live in
our houses.
our houses. Hello friends, my name is Arun. My name is Aresh. Today we learn about kinds of shops. Kind of shops. So let's get started. Cafe.
Cafe.
Coffee shop.
Coffee. Shop. Coffee shop.
Market.
Market.
Bookshop.
Book. Shop. Bookshop.
Candy shop.
Candy. Shop. Candy shop.
Clothes shop.
Clothes. Shop. Clothes shop.
Computer shop.
Computer. Shop. Computer shop.
DVD rental.
DVD rental.
Music shop.
Music. Shop. Music shop.
Mall.
Mall.
Pet shop.
Pet. Shop. Pet shop.
Shoe shop.
Shoe shop.
Green groceries.
Green. Groceries. Green groceries.
Bakery.
Bakery.
Sports shops.
Sports. Shop. Sports shop.
Donut shop.
Donut. Shop. Donut shop.
Florist.
Florist.
Camera shop.
Camera. Shop. Camera shop.
Restaurant.
Restaurant.
Gift shop.
Gift. Shop. Gift shop.
Toy shop.
Toy. Shop. Toy shop.